Hi everybody, I have a very special announcement to make. I'm here with our good friend Tommy Gomes at Tunaville Market and Grocery in Point Loma. You need to come here often. The big announcement is we've teamed up to do a great evening of seafood with Tommy Gomes and his amazing seafood at Solare. It's going to be Thursday, January 19. It's going to start at 6 o'clock with some fish preparations. The dinner will be at 6:30. Let me pass off to Tommy where he can tell us about something we've never done before. You got to be there next Thursday.
Thanks, Randy. It's going to be super fun, and what makes this one different, well, they're all different, and they're all tasty, and they're all super fun, but we've got a TV show called The Fishmonger. We're getting ready to start our 4th season of filming, and we're going to film this dinner, so now's your chance to be on a TV show. We're just going to make it a nice, elegant setting, which Solare is. We've got the wine room, we've got great pairings going on, but we're going to have our film crew there, and we're going to shoot exactly what's going on with your local seafood here in San Diego with our friend Randy and his crew at Solare. So I urge each and every one of you, come on down, check it out. You may have to sign a waiver because you know you're going to be on TV. I can't pay you all, but we'll make it fun and exciting. And as always, we're going to have some great seafood. We're going to have some charcuterie board for you to taste as well. Linguiça, chorizo, and Italian sausage, all made from local seafood from your local fishermen. So come on down, make it a great evening. Once again, Randy and I and the crew at Solare are teaming up to bring you some of the best in local seafood here in San Diego.
He said it all. Thursday, January 19. Call us, sign up. This will sell out for sure. It's going to be awesome.
Awesome.